In front of me is Doogee S Punk, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching Clock app and tapping on Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Then use this plus at the bottom in the middle. Set up an hour, and when you finish, hit OK. Now adjust all of those options however you want to. At the top, you can name your alarm and save its name by hitting OK. Then pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones, and use this plus next to pause alarm to pick specific days when you don't want your alarm to ring. Pick the chosen ones, hit OK, and then to delete them use remove button right next to them. Now use those two icons next to Vibrate and Google Assistant routine to turn them off or on, and click on bell icon to download one of those sound sources or hit dismiss. If you want to use music from your sound sources, click on the chosen one and log in. You can also select sounds, tap on add new, pick any music from your device by clicking on it and going back. If you don't want to do it though, just tap on one of those melodies. Now to hide your settings, click at the top right corner of chosen alarm. To turn it off or on, use this switcher next to it, and to delete it, click on the top right corner and bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!